Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and we are here at the Realme showroom here in SM City, Fairview, dito sa taas ng Cyberzone 3rd floor. So, update tayo ng mga Realme cellphone. So, let's go! Okay, you're watching Action Charlie and simulan natin dito sa entry level. So we got the Realme C30s. Mga price niya is meron 4GB na 32GB and 32GB sa 4,000, almost 4,500. Then 4,999, 7GB plus 64GB internal. And what else? So 3 plus 4 siya. Tapos dito 2 plus 2 sa RAM. Ito 3 plus 4 sa RAM. Ito 4 plus 4 sa RAM. So 8GB plus 64. Okay, 5,299. Pareho lahat sila meron 5,000 milliamps. Slim design and 8MP AI camera. So available in stripe black at saka stripe blue. So ito yung phone niya. Para ito yata yung stripe black, may stripe siya. Yung AI camera niya. So video, available ang video, photo, and portrait para may blur background, and then meron ka rin selection. So may pan, night vision. Oh, may Pro din siya. Okay. Pro for the camera only. Tapos may time lapse din siya. So, very basic lang siya. Realme C30. Tapos in case you want smartwatch, meron din silang Realme Band 2. Okay. Realme Band 2, 1,000, almost 1,200. So there, sample. Ay! Nahulog. Dito tayo sa susunod sa Realme C51, 33 watts, 90 Hz sa display. It's available sa 6.7 inches, 50 megapixel AI dual camera, available in carbon black and mint green. So prices niya sa 7GB, ano ba to? 7GB is 3 plus 4, tapos 64GB ang kanyang internal RAM. So almost 5,000. Yung 8GB naman na RAM is what? 4 plus 4? 4 plus 4 tapos 128GB. Bossing yung 4 plus 4 na to, yung plus 4 niya kukunin niya sa
may pinaka-internal.
Sa internal. Pero yung internal niya standard 128.
Apo, expandable pa rin naman. Ayun, dyan lang niya nagkukunin. Kasi kahit lagyan
dyan pa rin niya kukunin.
hindi siya pwedeng kunin.
Okay. So, ito yon C51. So, yung mga budget phones. Budget phones nila. So, pag night vision, night sila, video, photo, portrait, and then more. Yan, sa more may time-lapse. Time-lapse with pro sa camera. Slow-mo, QR code.
799 yung price nito, sir. Ngayon, 499.
Ayan, sa pro nila, usual, meron kang auto, ISO, white balance, etc. Tapos, in case you want another smartwatch, they have the Realme Watch 2, which is cost only almost 3,000. 1.4 na inch na color display, plus may mga apps siya para sa health mo, blood pressure monitor, heartbeat, tapos yung ano din, may sports mode siya.
500 yung dito.
To charge mo. Typical, nandiyan yung steps, calories.
4 plus 4. Ito kasi 3 plus 4 lang po yung 7.
Yes, you could incorporate that with your Realme phone. So, nasa 3,000 pesos siya. At another entry level, almost mid, is 8,999. May 12 GB siya and 128 GB. So, 6 plus 6 to. 6 siya, tapos hatak ka ng 6 sa internal storage niya. Another one is 16. So, 8 plus 8 na RAM. 8 originally, then you could maximize it. Plus 8 coming from the 256 GB. So, 6.7 na screen. May 64 MP ka na megapixel na AI camera. 5,000 mega mAh na battery. Tapos MediaTek Helio G88. Nice price, almost 9,000 and almost 11,000. Ayan yung unit. Tapos ito yung itsura. Ito yung available na rainy night at saka ano to? Sun shower. Rainy night and sun shower. So itong hawak ko ngayon yung rainy night. Okay.
Ito yung ano, sir.
So speakers, tapos may headphones pa rin available. Oh, by the way, hindi natin nakita yung isa kanina, yung Realme 51.
2023 sir yung model.
Hindi natin na-check yun. So, ito yung mint green ng Realme C51. Okay.
Ito yung pumalit sa kami.
Triple camera.
Kasi hindi na tayo pwede mag-extend ng price ng ano sir, 799. Kaya yung mga
So, yan yung entry levels ni Realme series. So, sa mid naman tayo. Tapos dito tayo sa Realme 10. Yan, Realme 10. So, may 16 GB at saka 128 GB. Yan. So, 8 plus 8, no? Sa RAM. Sa almost 11,000. Tapos itong almost 13,000, 16. So, 8 plus 8 yung RAM niya. With 256 GB. So, 13. Not bad, no? MediaTek Helio G99 processor. 90 Hz AMOLED. 33 watt super, ano, no? Folks, ibig sabihin, mabilis ang charging nito. Then, you got the Clash White and the Rush Black. So, ito yata yung Crush White nila. Crush White. Meron pa rin siyang for the headset and kaliwa sa speakers, and this one is for yung SIM card. So, ano niya. And if you want earbuds, meron silang Realme T300, only worth almost 1,600. May dynamic bass siya, active noise cancellation, 40-hour playback, at saka super low latency. Check natin. Yeah. So, yun. Very nice, right? Yung tsura niya. So, pag i-charge mo, lagay mo lang sa lalagyan ulit. So, yan yung Realme Buds T300. And we have the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G. Almost 20,000, and the other one is almost 25,000. It's a 16 GB, so that's 8 plus 8. And the other one is 24 GB with 256 GB na internal storage. So 24, that's 12 plus 12, no? In additional 12, huhugutin sa 256. While yung tong 16 GB, 8 plus 8 siya. Okay. Tapos available in dark matter at saka hyperspace gold. Yung chipset niya, Dimensity 920 5G. Tapos may ProLight camera, 108MP. Then 120Hz curved AMOLED display. That's the Realme 10 Pro G 5G. Pro Plus 5G. Okay, so ito yung itsura niya. MediaTek 920, battery 5,000, front camera 6MP, rear 108, Android version 13. Okay. Check natin yung camera. Anyway, check natin to. So, ito yung dark matter na version. So, may konting spill over yung ano no, yung display. Speaker sa taas, may speaker sa baba. Mukhang nasa baba yung ano, yung sa SIM card. Ayun na, SIM card. Okay. So, yun. Realme 10 Pro 5G. Pwede yung paano yung camera lang. I-activate yung camera. Yung pinaka main menu niya. Ayun, pataas pala. Ayun, so tingnan natin yung camera. Meron silang night available. May strip din. 16 20. And may video. Zoom. Photo. May wide angle. Standard. And then 3x. Portrait. Yan. Yung meron blur image. May dual view camera. Ayun, dual view. So, sa halagang 20,000 and 25,000 meron ka na ng dual view. Ito, 108 and then more. May Pro. Ano yung Pro niya? Tapos meron slow-mo, starry mode, time-lapse, group portrait, macro, panel, tilt shift, etc. Yan, maganda to. Sa mga nagbablog, available siya na may dual view video. Okay, tapos may 2x din. Okay. So, nice, right? And we also have the Realme Watch 3 3,500 clear Bluetooth calling, pwede siya. Then 1.8 super large bright display. And then baliktad. At mabilis mawala. Ayaw? Wala. But anyway, that's almost 3,500 Realme Watch 3. So, next naman, Realme 11 Pro 5G. Ang specs niya ay 8+8 GB, 8 to 16 GB na RAM, tapos 256 GB na storage, almost 20,000. Okay. 11 Pro G na to. So, meron siyang 120Hz curve OLED display, 100MP Pro Light camera, tapos 67 watts na fast charging. Available in Sunrise Beige, Oasis Green, and Astral Black. So, ito yung 11. So, ito yung black. Nice. So, anong meron siya? Ito yung 100 display. Then MP na camera. Tapos meron din option for vegan leather design. Tapos 5,000 battery. Yun. Tapos MediaTek Dimensity 750 5G chipset. So sa photography naman, may 100 MP Pro Light camera, auto zoom, may for night vision, and street photography. .7 inches na display. Ano pa? Memory, yan, 12 GB plus 12 GB, then 256 na storage. Tapos 5,000 mAh na battery, tapos meron siya fast charging, 67 watts available. Meron siyang option for yung leather type. So yung Realme 11. Tapos meron din siyang pad in case may interested bumili. Meron available in 3GB RAM, 32GB na storage, then 3GB, then 32, then 4GB RAM, then 64GB na storage. So you got the almost 8, almost 9, and almost 11 available in glacier blue and glowing gray. So ultra slim, 7.6 millimeter, 8.7 large display, and 6,400 milliamp mega battery. So typical, no? So yung likod. So ito yung glowing gray na option. So, yun ang Realme Pad Mini. Okay. Tapos, tingnan natin tong madami pa palang pad series. So, may pad and 10,000, mayroon 13,000 at saka almost 17,000. So, yan yung mga specs nila. Basahin nyo na lang. Available in real gold and real gray. So,
ito yung binili ko.
Tapos meron silang 16,000 glacier blue and glowing gray. Realme Pad. Tapos na naman yung Realme Pad na binili mo?
Hindi ko dumarating.
Binili mo online. Okay. Nag-sketch ka rin? Nag-sketching ka rin? School lang. Okay. May keyboard ka rin binili? Yung compatible na dyan? May accessory ba siyang keyboard na? Si Realme? Ay, hiwalay na brand. Okay. Okay. So, Realme Pad 2, yung entry niya, 14,000, 6GB and 6GB RAM, 128 na storage. And then, you have the 18,000 16 GB RAM, 8 plus 8, then 256 na storage. MediaTek Helio G99 processor, tsaka 11.5 na screen, no? Laki siya. So, nice. Yung pad 10 or pad X Wi-Fi, nasa 10.9 siya. So, malaki-laki din. Pang school talaga. Buti nga ngayon may mga pad-pad na eh. Yung college kami, wala kaming ganyan. Mahal-mahal pa na, no? Pati laptop. Ngayon, mura-mura na. This one is, ang price lang to. Realme Book. 30,000. Ano siya? Okay. Intel i3. 11th Gen. So, 30,000. Anong default RAM niya? Ng book? 8 gig na to. Okay. So, yan yung Realme Book. Pwede na rin, pang school. Dito naman tayo sa Realme 11. So, Realme 11 is around 13,000. 16, no? So, it's 8 plus 8. And then, 256 GB na storage. Ibang color naman to. Ito, gold. And the newest one is the Realme 12. Okay. Realme 12. So, ang price niya in Realme 12. 12G. 12 plus 5G. Okay. So, meron almost 18,000 and another one is almost 20,000. Nice, ah. Anong color to? Para siyang green. Blue-green. And the other one is, this one is Realme 12 Pro Plus G. Yung isa Realme 12 Plus lang. Ito, almost 26,000. May vegan, parang vegan leather siya. This one is the blue one. The submarine blue. Okay. Submarine blue. Dami rin siyang camera. 4 yata to. Tapos may gold trim. Gold trimmings. So, ito yung yung presyo ng Realme 12 Pro Plus 5G. 24GB RAM plus 512 na storage. Tapos yung yung 12 lang, 12 plus 5G is 19,999 and almost 18,000. Ayan yung specs nila for your meron pa dito, mid-level, C67. Green naman siya. Sunny Oasis green. Sunny Oasis. Dual camera. So, yan ano na. Realme 67. Sorry. So, 67. Ito yung price niya. 16GB, 128GB na storage. Tsaka 16GB, 256 storage. Almost 11 and almost 10. Available in Sunny Oasis Black and Black Rock. Okay. 108 camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 and ultra slim design, 7.59mm. So I said it is, I guess ito yun, 7.59mm. And meron pa ang parang entry level, C53, another almost entry level, almost 7.5 and almost 8,000. Available in Mighty Black and Champion Gold. Okay, so entry level siya. Okay naman. Ganda rin yung colors. May Pro sa photography. Yan, may Pro para sa photography. Ito 50mm. Okay. 50mm. Portrait din. So, pag gusto mo may blur background. So, kaya niya mag-blur background. Tapos may night pa siya for an entry level. That's nice. So, ito yun. What's this one? Champion Gold. OMG. Champion Gold color. Champion na champion. Kitang-kita ka sa daanan to. Balik natin ng maayos. So may promo sila, no? May minus 1,000 pa. So punta lang kayo dito sa Realme SM Fairview sa taas ng Cyber Zone. Makikita sila dyan, no? Sa, sa entry.